Hi, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. We're going to show everybody how to install our Tesla charging mount wall adapter kit. Now, this is a beautiful black textured piece that's going to simply mount on the wall in your garage. We're going to show you how to hook it up. Once you pick the desired location, look at how simple this is. So you're going to have a box of hardware. All you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. So you simply want to pick the spot you're going to mount it on the wall. We're going to show you how to mount the clip on the wall and how to slide it in. And the first thing we recommend you do is take it out of the box and test it. So this end goes up, kind of looks like the original chargers, and it just fits right in like this. So this is, again, your trunk charging unit that you might use at home. So fits all of these perfect. In and out, just move back and forth to release it, and no more finding your cord on the floor in the morning. So this is really simple and easy to mount. Let's get into it. So in the bag, you're going to find drywall dowels and a couple tools and dowel pins, sorry. And take a look first of all at the black piece, because this is what we're going to mount to the wall. And again, it fits into the unit like this. Just slides in the bottom, locks in place. So once you pick your spot, we're going to install it like this. But take a look at how it actually fits. And you're just going to slide it in like this. Find a location. And that's it. It locks in place. So the weight is on there. Slides right off if you ever want to take it out. But once you mount it, you should be looking for a location that's going to be long-term permanent. So let's say I want to mount it on that line, and that's where I want it. Just take your screwdriver and take the screw, position it right where you want it, and make a dot on the top and bottom in the drywall. So that's your location to insert the drywall dowels. So normally people use pilot holes, but I don't think you need that. I think you just got to tap it in, start the screw a little bit in each one, and just go into the drywall a little bit. Then you take your plastic dowel and you're going to stick it in here, and you're going to knock it in with a hammer. That way, when you insert the screw in all the way, it widens, therefore holding it. So again, screwdriver, bit, the same size makes it easiest. Push it all the way through the drywall, and top and bottom, and then insert the dowel pin. Make it nice and flush. And when the screw goes in, it's going to widen and lock itself and anchor itself. So these are called wall anchors. So the next thing is, again, we want to check which side is up. You don't want to put it on upside down. So again, it's always good to double check. This will be flat and flush with the bottom. So we're putting this in here. Sorry. We're putting the rounded edge up so it matches on the top. Just like that. So rounded edge goes up. I hate when you put things on backwards. So we want to help everyone. Put the screw in and tighten it up. So get it all the way on. Just don't screw it in too hard yet. So line up the bottom one first. It should get nice and snug. And now it's very strong in the drywall. Then we want to insert the charging holder on the top like this. Put it flush against the wall and wiggle it back and forth and slide it down. That's it. So you can run your cord around it. That's the other nice function of this unit. That obviously this sits in here, but once you have your whole charging cord, you you can wrap it around. So it works like a hook, like some of the original 100 amp units that are around. So once you wrap your cord around it, let's say you have the 10 or 15 foot cable, wrap it around, make nice loops, and then it'll stay in this position after the plastic cord takes set, and you're all set. So we're going to take some pictures before and after. We're going to wrap all the cord up, but here's how it mounts. It holds the weight of the cord. Thanks again. These are in stock now and shipping.